This flame-resistant welding shirt uses a 7-ounce cotton fabric that feels substantial yet stays comfortable through long shifts in the shop or on site. The material, stitching, and front closures are all designed to resist ignition and help self-extinguish, giving you an extra layer of confidence around grinding sparks and stray arcs. High-visibility reflective bands wrap fully around the torso, shoulders, and sleeves, making you stand out clearly under headlights and work lights in low-light environments. Its protection level is suitable for common industrial electrical and welding tasks, so it fits well into typical safety programs for tradespeople and industrial crews. The cut allows decent mobility in the shoulders and arms, so reaching, lifting, and overhead work do not feel restricted while you stay covered. Overall, this shirt is a practical choice for welders, electricians, and construction workers who want reliable flame resistance and visibility in one durable garment.